Building a 10K a month school agency in public. Hashtag 12, week 12. No Q&A. That's all good. Stats. We are cooking them, brother. It's because we're doing podcasts now. Isn't that crazy? 120%. Pretty good. 29% up. 129% is crazy, by the way. And 2.3. Average view duration is also up. And then more watch hours, purely because of the podcast subscribers. And yeah, I got cooked. Travel, bro. Okay, so I went to the Germany event. Very, very good. Which was an event for schoolers, obviously. And, bro, I had basically no food, like 5 hours of sleep. Oh my god, terrible. My data didn't work. I want to die in game. Isn't that what you're supposed to say for YouTube? And then what I cooked, new podcast, Brie. These two, which is very huge, big in space, of course. And then Miles, my boy, my friend, which did very well. Like, one of those is mine, I'm not gonna lie. But I think it, like 3.4% click-through rate, pretty crazy. What the hell? And yeah, this week is very good. Especially if I start doing the thumbnails, like I've said 1,000 times. New podcast, free podcast. So that was good. Also, just like the whole event, going to Germany, very, very good. Got some bigger plans coming up for IRL stuff, which I'm gonna lean into more. Yeah. Oh yeah, but the month's over. I'm gonna lean really, like, I'm not gonna say it. I'm just gonna do shit and then talk about it, because I don't like saying shit. Anyway, that's pretty much the week. Just like going to Germany, chilling with the boys. Cool. Bye.